Hi everyone, this is Tracy Guillot with MVP Realty's Guillot Group. I'm here today at one of Naples' hottest new communities called Valencia Trails in North Naples. The builder is GL Homes, and it's in a great North Naples location off of Mockley Road, east of 951, and it's an active 55 plus resort style luxury living. So I think you're gonna love it. Wanted to give you a quick tour of one of their model homes. Today I'm in the Seabreeze model. It's part of the Coastal Collection, and the base price is $855,900. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, 3-bath, 2620 square feet, and it's pretty fabulous. So let's go take a look. Your front entrance. All right, thanks for doing the walkthrough with me, and please give me a call if you have any questions about this model or anything in North Naples or in the Valencia Trails community. You can reach me at 239-292-1499. It's Tracy Guillot with MVP Realty's Guillot Group. Hope to hear from you soon.